Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting session of learning English and improving your speaking skills. Today, I'm going to share with you 15 essential words that will take your English to the next level. If you master these words, your English will not only sound more natural, but you'll also speak with more confidence and fluency. They are part of advanced English, but are used frequently in day-to-day conversations. Are you ready? Let's dive in and explore these 15 words that will help you speak fluent English in no time. Let's dive into 15 key words you should start using today. Actually, to correct or clarify. Sometimes we need to correct a misunderstanding or add extra detail to a statement. Actually helps us do that in a polite way. Example: I actually prefer tea over coffee, not coffee over tea. Definitely, to show certainty. When you are absolutely sure about something, definitely is the perfect word to express that strong certainty. Example: I will definitely call you tomorrow, no doubt about it. Probably, to indicate likelihood. We often need to talk about things that are likely to happen but not guaranteed. Probably helps convey that idea. Example: I will probably visit my grandmother this weekend, unless something urgent comes up. Exactly. To confirm agreement. Exactly is a great word to use when you want to emphasize that you completely agree with someone. Example: That's exactly what I was thinking. You read my mind. Absolutely, to express strong agreement. If you strongly agree with someone or something, absolutely is the perfect word to use. Example: I absolutely love this movie. It's one of the best I've seen. Literally, to describe something in an exact way. Literally means that something happened exactly as stated without exaggeration. Example: I was literally shaking with excitement before my performance. Basically, to simplify an explanation. When you want to summarize something in a simpler way, basically helps you break it down. Example: Basically, we need to finish this project by Friday, or we'll miss the deadline. Seriously. To emphasize emotion or concern. Seriously is a great word to stress how strongly you feel about something. Example: Are you seriously going to eat all of that? That's a huge portion. Honestly. To express sincerity. Use honestly when you want to express your true feelings or opinions. Example: Honestly, I didn't expect this to happen, but I'm happy it did. Obviously, to state something that's clear. If something is already clear and easy to understand, obviously is the right word to use. Example: Obviously, we need to leave early to catch the train, or we'll miss it. Totally, to strengthen your statement. Totally adds emphasis and intensity to your statement. Example: That's totally unfair. You didn't even give me a chance. Normally, to describe a usual habit. We use normally to talk about something that happens regularly or as a habit. Example: I normally wake up at 6 a.m., but today I overslept. Generally, to talk about common situations. Generally is used when discussing things that happen most of the time, but may have exceptions. Example: Generally, people enjoy holidays because they get time to relax. Hopefully. To express a wish for the future. We use hopefully when we want to express a desire or hope for something good to happen. Example: Hopefully, I will pass the exam, but I still need to study a lot. Emma's story. Practicing these words in real life. Emma, a university student, wanted to improve her English fluency. She realized that native speakers often used certain words that made their speech sound more natural. Determined to integrate these words into her own conversations, she started practicing them daily. One day, Emma was discussing weekend plans with her friends. When someone asked if she was coming to the picnic, she replied, "I will probably come, but I need to check my schedule." She used probably to express uncertainty. Later, when her friend mentioned a new cafe, Emma responded, "That's exactly what I was thinking. We should totally go there." This made her sound more engaging and enthusiastic. During a class discussion, a professor asked for opinions on a book they were reading. Emma confidently said, "Honestly, I found the book interesting, but the ending was a bit predictable." Her professor nodded in approval. As Emma continued practicing, she found that her speech became more fluent and natural. She used literally to describe an exciting event, seriously to emphasize a point, and hopefully when expressing her wishes. Over time, speaking English felt effortless, and she no longer hesitated while forming sentences. Final tip: practice and use these words. The best way to improve your English fluency is by actively using these words in your daily conversations. Try making sentences with them, listen for them in movies or podcasts, and practice speaking with confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning comes from practice. The more you use these words, the more naturally they will become part of your speech. Keep learning and enjoy your journey to fluency.